Yeah, so hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to review on the experience ROM on the Poco X3. This is the Android 12 update that I have found. This is the latest one that I picked from the Poco X3 Pro Telegram group. So yeah, this is the whole thing that I would show you guys. I have downloaded this and this is the brightness slider, and pretty much it is like over the same only. You won't be getting any new things. New options are not there. These are the widget sections, these are the like the launcher thing, these are the wallpaper styles, and yeah, dark theme is there and the themed icons are also there. Yeah, so let me decrease my brightness so you can see the screen properly. Let me go to uh, the Android 12 version. This is the Android 12 version. As you can see here, this is the October update. I don't know why they haven't updated it. I think I have found the old file, but yeah, I'll confirm you guys if any new files are there. Overall, this is the whole room and this is the tile section. And as you can see here, data like Wi-Fi and mobile data tiles are not there. You have to go into the two-step process of the internet thing. So there you can switch to the Wi-Fi and also the mobile data. Let me connect to the mobile data like Wi-Fi. So as you can see here, this is the whole room. It doesn't like have any stutters. The app opening icons and all the things are very smooth there. As you can see here, they have graded well. The Google app is opening smooth. The Google Home icon. For the wallpaper section, let me show you this is these are the space that you can set it to into. So yeah, so 4 into and all these things that you can do. Right now for the clock thing, this is the clock thing, and let me uh, drag this over there. I think anyway. Yeah, so these are the widgets that you can set up to. These are the widgets. Basically, there are multiple widgets that you can try here. These are the wallpapers. Basically, you do not get any much wallpapers. I have updated the pixel uh, the wallpapers here, but they haven't. This is the like the local wallpapers. This is a live wallpaper, as you can see. And yeah, I don't know what is this. I found it very like disgusting kind of a thing. Yeah, so these are the like the experience wallpaper. I don't know why they have updated, like they given up so much. Let me enlarge this clock also. Yeah, so this is the clock that you will find over here, and you can set your alarm if you want to wake early. Yeah, anyway, this is the Nightfall launcher, and this is not the original Pixel launcher. They have appended that. They have used their own launcher, and there are tons of options. You have to like read them, and then you have to try them out. Whatever if you are like need to find out or there. So anyway, yeah. So these are the things. There is not much customization options are there, but yeah, you will get but the yeah, you will get the gist of what is there or what is there not. Yeah, anyway, you won't be finding the Google camera over here. This is the open camera that you are going to find. Yeah, and for the recording thing, I have installed that. It was not pre-installed. So for the recording, this is able to record the audio, but it is not able to transcribe. Yeah, it I have updated the language one APK also, but still it is not like updating that. Anyway, let me show you one more thing. I have ranked the benchmark also from the Antutu, and believe me, this was not the score I expected. 52643. This is not the correct score. This is the lowest that I have found in my room testing one. Even the CR Droid ho gaya, or like in the DevFest also, they were also above the 550 mark, which is the lowest in kind of because this has the flagship processor. Anyway, you will find the thermal profiles, you will find the battery usage, all of the like the options are there. You will find the data indicator is also there, data storage is also there, and for the app section, this is the app section where you can review your apps and all. Yes, and this is the sound one, and you will get all these sounds, the pixel sounds and all these things. So yes, This is a great thing. Not great, but yeah, this is a good thing, I'll say. Anyway, you will get the direct sound enhancer, which you can present in almost all of the devices that I have seen. Yeah, this is the lock screen one, and for the fingerprint, it has the fingerprint, and but it does not have the face unlock. So yeah, mind that. And so this is the night light, and night light is working fine. For the colors, you can set your colors if you want. For the refresh rate, you can set between these much refresh rate if you want. I'll set it to 120, so you can say the difference over there. And this is your tap to wake, which you can enable, and these are the font section. I have done the Google Sense one that I've set myself to. Now for the security one, these are the security features. For the, as I've told you, this does not have the face unlock feature. And for the security update, yes, 5th October update, and I have updated that, but it is not updating that. Yeah, so OTA updates are not available in this experience one. Anyway, this is the like, pretty all overall the ROM smoothness is there, and you will get the unlimited Google Photos backup. As you can see here, I not suggest ki like go for this ROM basically, because every other ROM has the Google unlimited backup. Even the CR Droid ROM has that. So yeah, please do not switch only for this thing. Yeah, Google Dialer is there, Google Messages are there. You will not find the USB one, so I guess that is a good thing if you are looking for that. Anyway, yeah, this is a Bluetooth one. I have tested my Bluetooth, and this was working fine. I have played the music using the Spotify, and the volume and everything was fine. Now one bug that I found is like it was not showing in the naming were not showing in there. I don't know why. There is someone this one bug, but this is a very minute bug. This doesn't affect any like the daily usage kind of a thing. Let me also show you the game recording also. But first, there is swipe screenshot is there. 100 mode is also there, and yeah, you can find over there. But yeah, regarding that, I'll show you the screen recording. Let me go to the file section. Gallery is not present, as you know. Yeah, this is the okay. This is the download section. Let me go to the recent one. I think. Yeah. So I played the COD on the in my like the medium graphics and like a very high refresh rate, and it was working very much fine. No stutters and no lags were there while screen recording also. So yeah, yeah, this was working very much fine. I think yeah, I played this and it was not heating very much, and it consumed only 9% of battery for a whole single game. That is like 15 or 20 minutes game. Yeah, anyway, this is my whole review of this ROM. Please do not install this. I think you should install the Pixel Plus UI or the Pixel Experience if you want to, or CR Droid ROM. I think these are the three ROMs that you should install. But if you want to try out the Android 12, I'll say ki you can try out the Evolution X also. But anyway, this is the my main ROM conclusion. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. This really motivates me a lot. You won't be sacrificing anything, but yeah, it will get me something. So thank you guys. This is me signing off. Bye.